Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GASL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, as was the case with the entire market. It's another crazy day. You can see down here, volume is remaining very solid, and quite the nice pattern here that's taken place. And just because, I would consider this a bullish pattern at this point, Don't go and say, hey, it's a bullish pattern. That means that the price is guaranteed to go up. If only trading were that easy. My point is, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? Would not be shocking. And this all revolves around the fact that now on two separate occasions, the price came down here to essentially that 10-cent mark. So you had a couple occasions right there the first time. And then during the last 30 minutes, once again, came right down there and is potentially bouncing off that level. So which makes and brings about the question, is this going to be some sort of double bottom pattern? Meaning the price comes down again, and then gets a bigger movement to the upside. Once again, just because it's a bullish pattern doesn't mean that for sure a bounce is coming. But my overall point here is it's at least a rational thought to have. It's at least a logical thought to have that maybe there very well could be some sort of bounce coming on Friday. So we'll see what happens with that. Now, of course, this could all be thrown away to the wayside very quickly if the price just rolls back over and crashes down through 10 cents. At that point, the double bottom would no longer be in play. But overall right now, that's definitely going to be a level that a whole lot of people will be watching going forward for the reason of, not necessarily because I think it's a double bottom, but just for the fact that on several occasions today, the price tried to press down through there, but could never quite get that, mission accomplished. Now, in the event this is a double bottom and the price starts to bounce, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? Well, the first main one is going to be right up here at the 13-cent mark. So 13 cents, whole lot of people are going to be watching that. If the price can work its way up to 13 and then get a break of there, next key level after that would be right up there at 16. So 13 and 16, next couple of key levels of resistance if there is any sort of bounce. So let's see what happens with this one on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.